Python has become that go-to language for various applications. So understanding the different roles you can get into with your knowledge of Python would help you carve out a successful career path. Hi guys, my name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data sciences, machine learning, artificial intelligence and other technological advancement. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the community. Click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be alerted whenever I post any new video. In this video, we're talking about the different job roles you can get involved in with your knowledge of Python. So it's essential to know the things you can do so that it can help you carve out the career path you need in your journey. So sit back as we go through this role. The first job role we talk about is Python developer. Python developers are experts in writing clean, efficient and maintainable Python codes or scripts. Python developers work with developing software applications, web development and writing automation scripts. They usually collaborate with cross-functional teams to create high quality products. Python developers often have strong Python programming skills. So if you want to become a Python developer, ensure you get advanced knowledge in Python. Next up, we have data analyst. Data analysts use Python for data analysis and exploration. They use tools like pandas, numpy, matplotlib for manipulation, visualization and creating insights from the large set of data. Data analysts have strong foundation in statistics, data wrangling and exploration, combined with their Python skills to bring out trends and patterns and develop insights from the data. Our next Python job role is data scientist. Data scientists harness the power of Python to analyze data, build predictive models and uncover insights that would help drive decision making. Data scientists combine their strong programming skills, statistical knowledge and domain expertise to help solve problems. They use libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, scikit-learn, TensorFlow to analyze this data, come up with unique solutions that would help make decisions. Python is widely used in machine learning, and this brings us to our next job role, which is machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineer use Python libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras to build and develop machine or deep learning models. They work on tasks such as data processing, model training, model evaluation, model optimization, and deploying of this model. The next Python job role we'll talk about is data engineers. These are people responsible for building pipelines and infrastructures for storing data. They work with things like ETL, like extract transform load or extract load transform, depending on what the organization they use. They leverage Python to extract, transform and load data in databases or data lakes. They ensure that the data has high quality, integrity and is accessible for other professionals like data analysts, data scientists or machine learning engineers. Data engineers are skilled working with data warehouse, database, data lakes and other big technologies. So they usually deal with building pipelines that would automate the extraction, transformation and storage of data. Python is used extensively in web development, where Python web developers play a very crucial role. As Python web developers develop and implement server-side logic, handle database integration and create scalable, user-friendly interface. They usually combine their Python skill with their web development skill to help them accomplish their task. Another role that can use Python is DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers use Python for infrastructure, automation, configuration management, and deployment tasks. Python is used for automated scripting tasks such as triggering, continuous integration, and continuous delivery. Other job roles where you can use Python include software engineer, systems engineer, product design, or product developer. So there are lots of roles where you can use Python, but I can't exhaust it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Let me know in the comment section which of this role are you currently doing or you're looking to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.